How could I live at the top of a mountain? No money in my pocket and no gold for the counting. But I would let all the money go, all for to please her fancy, and I'd marry no book, my Bonnie Blue Eyed Lassie. She's my Bonnie Blue Eyed Lassie, with an air so soft and tender, her walk like swan's float, and her waist so small and slender, her golden hair in ringlets fell down o'er her lily white shoulders. I'll ask her to marry me, and there's no one could be bolder, for some people say that she's very low in station, and other people say she'll be the cause of my ruination. But let them all say what they will, to her I will prove constant still, till the day I die. She'll be my own lovely lady. Lightly swims the swan o'er the dark waters of O'Hill, and brightly sings the nightingale, so happy to behold her. The wind may blow, the moorcocks crow, the moon may shine so deeply, but deeper by far is my love for my own lady. And some people say she's very low in station, and other people say she'll be the cause of my